I will show you how to remove Riot Client. First here, type in Windows, Add or Remove in Programs. Type in Search, Riot. If you have found the application, click the dot on the right and click Uninstall. Here, what happens is it cannot because the application is still running. Try exiting the application first. The method is to search in the bottom right. If there is a Riot application right, click then Close or Exit. If the application has been exit, try clicking the dot back and click Uninstall. Congratulations, you have successfully uninstalled the Riot application.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.